Welcome to our guide on fatty liver. Today, we'll explore the top 10 foods and lifestyle tips to help improve your liver health. Let's start by understanding what fatty liver is and why it's important to address it. Fatty liver disease occurs when fat accumulates in the liver cells, leading to inflammation and potential damage. There are two main types: alcoholic fatty liver disease, caused by excessive alcohol consumption, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, often linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and high cholesterol. Let's explore causes and risk factors of fatty liver. Common causes include obesity, type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, and excessive alcohol consumption. If left untreated, fatty liver can progress to more severe conditions like liver cirrhosis or cancer. Top 10 foods for fatty liver. Now, let's explore the top 10 foods that can help improve fatty liver. Oily fish. Oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce liver fat and inflammation. Additionally, they contain vitamin D, which has been linked to improved liver function. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with antioxidants. Like vitamin C and vitamin E, which help to reduce oxidative stress in the liver. They're also high in fiber, aiding in digestion and detoxification. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is high in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like vitamin E, which can help lower liver enzyme levels and reduce inflammation. Nuts. Nuts like walnuts, almonds, and pistachios are rich in healthy fats, antioxidants such as vitamin E and selenium, and minerals like magnesium, which support liver health and reduce inflammation. Avocado. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, as well as vitamins E, C, and K, which can help reduce liver fat and improve overall liver function. Green tea. Green tea is packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains vitamin C and various minerals like zinc, which support liver health. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It also provides vitamins B6 and C, as well as minerals like manganese, which are beneficial for liver health. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin and selenium, which have been shown to reduce liver fat and protect against liver damage. It also provides vitamins C and B6, as well as manganese and selenium, which support liver function. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which help reduce oxidative stress in the liver. They're also high in fiber, supporting digestion and detoxification. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice are high in fiber. Vitamins like B vitamins and vitamin E, and minerals like magnesium and selenium, which support liver detoxification and reduce fat accumulation. Lifestyle tips for fatty liver management. In addition to dietary changes, lifestyle modifications are crucial for managing fatty liver. Regular exercise, limiting alcohol intake, managing weight, and monitoring blood sugar and cholesterol levels are all essential for liver health. Making dietary and lifestyle changes can help improve fatty liver and prevent complications. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and monitoring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and lifestyle advice.